Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. You guys, today we are in the garage. We are unboxing a very exciting steering wheel lock. Okay, so we've gone ahead and opened the box. And here is the Tevlaphee, I think I'm saying that right, steering wheel lock. Now the whole point of this is so that once you put this on, without the key, you won't be able to get it back off. It's like anti-pry. If you would steal a vehicle with one of these on, apparently you cannot get this back off after it's been placed on. We are very excited to try this out. They give you a couple of different methods as to how to put it on so that you don't scratch your vehicle's steering wheel or anything. Let's try this one. But before we get that far, let me show you guys what came in the box. So the actual lock itself is 2 pieces. And now you just have to stick this in the end of the other piece after you unlock it. So while the key is unlocked, you can push this up and down. Once you lock the key, you can only pull it out. You cannot push it back in. I really like the color. The texture feels really nice. And this is what it looks like installed. Literally takes like 10 seconds. And it moves a little bit. But you guys, once this is locked, you are not gonna get this off without the key. So it definitely does what it said it was gonna do. Let's try it in another vehicle. Here it is on the Bronco. And let us show you how easy it is to install this thing on Sandy the Sable here. Pick where on the steering wheel you want it to come across. And keep in mind, one of my hands is holding the camera. So if I use my elbow really fast, now we've got that spread all the way across. Now we're just gonna lock it. You can see it's moving a little bit, but you're not going to be able to get it off of the steering wheel. Now, if I was using both hands, I could get it a little bit tighter. Even with it moving, you're not getting it off the steering wheel, you guys. So you're parked in a not so good spot, blah, blah, blah. You make a bunch of mistakes, forget the keys in it, leave it unlocked. Somebody tries to steal it. They're not getting this thing off without the key. So at least that's what I believe the entire point of this thing is. So me and Zena are pretty happy with it. And when I used both hands, like I said, I could get it a lot tighter on the steering wheel because I could pull both ends. And then see each one of these, this is like the size difference between each level. So you can have it all the way pushed in and you can have it pulled out really far. Like I said, me and Zena really like this thing. Now you do have to be careful when you're taking the key and putting it in because the keys, you get us have 3, they only go in a certain way. So I was confused about that at first, but you will definitely figure it out. And again, it's just this piece and this piece. When it's unlocked, this slides in freely. Now when it's locked, you can pull it out to make it however wide your steering wheel is, but it cannot go back in. So therefore, you cannot get it off of the steering wheel. So yeah, that is pretty much all of the features and us just testing this thing out. We are crazy excited. This is going to be on their Amazon listing page for this item. So you guys, if you are there, definitely come to YouTube. Come check out the Cookin Camper YouTube channel, our full YouTube channel. And yeah, dear God, thank you so much for this opportunity. Amen. Thank you to the company. Thank you to everybody. Me and Zena like this thing. It's easy to use. It just seems very effective, I guess. I like it. We will definitely be trying it out. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll never miss the next time Zena uploads a new video or tries out a new product. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.